Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing of my back to school Target beauty box. If you guys don't know, these are extremely hard to get. They sell out really quickly and they randomly show up too, so you never really know when they're going to be on there, when they're coming out, when they're going to sell out. But with shipping and everything, this costs $11, but they always have an amazing value. So I'm really excited, and I was able to grab their back to college one. So I'm really excited to see what is in this box. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay, so first of all, I love the box that it comes in. It's super nice, super plain, and perfect for storage. Honestly, I love using these boxes for storage. So as always, we have the card that tells us what we're getting, and what I also love is that it has a coupon on here for $3 off of any beauty purchase of $15 or more. Always love that. I mean, I always shop at Target, so chances are I'm going to use that. So this time we have pink tissue paper. We usually get red, so that's really cool. It actually matches my shirt. It's like I knew, but I didn't. Whoa. This box is packed, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. I already know that this box is going to be worth more than what I paid for it. So the first thing that I'm pulling out by Juice Organics, and I've never even heard of this brand, but this is their repairing conditioner, and it's made with coconut. So I'm really excited. I'm obsessed with coconut, and my hair needs some help right now, so really excited. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about the prices or anything, so that kind of stinks, but really excited to try this out. And also, I just realized there's the conditioner in here too, which is really nice. I love being able to have both, and I love how they are pretty nice size, so I might be able to get 2 uses out of it. Foil, I also love that they are not foil packets. I cannot stand foil packets, you guys. I'm so happy that they're actual tubes, because these go in your shower, and if it's a foil packet, they get nasty, they slide everywhere. It's gross. So I love being able to have these actual tubes. That is awesome. And like I said, I've never heard of that brand before, so even better. The next thing is a familiar brand. This is the Secret Clinical Strength Smooth Solid Light and Fresh Deodorant. And I believe I'm actually using one right now. That came in a box. Yeah, it looks like this. And I love Secret deodorant, so I mean, it's an essential, so that's pretty awesome. These take a little bit to go through anyway, so who needs a full size when you have that? The next thing in the box, this is by NYC, and this is their Get It All lip color. I don't think I've ever tried any lip colors from NYC, but I do know that they're super affordable, so that is awesome. I love the applicator. And again, it matches my shirt. I'm so excited, you guys. If you don't know, I am obsessed with pink. So, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm going to be wearing that like all the time, especially when it comes to fall. It looks like that. So pretty. I definitely will have to check out how much these are and what the other colors are, because I know they're pretty reasonable price, so real excited for that. The next thing is a mascara. I'm so excited. Okay, so Katy Perry, if you didn't know, Katy Perry came out with a whole line of stuff, and I actually was about to try out her new mascara, but it's in this box. I'm really excited right now, guys. This is the Katy Cat Eye Mascara. Oh yeah, it's by CoverGirl, and this is in the shade black, I think. Yeah, this is the black one, and I'm really excited. I wanted to try this so bad, and I'm so excited now, and I love the packaging. It's just so different from any other mascara that I have, and I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. So I wish I didn't put on mascara today, or else that would be on my eyes right now. The next thing, it's like they knew. Okay, so again, I was about to buy this as a full size because I've tried this multiple times and I just can't bring myself to pay the full size because it's so much money, you guys. But this is by Laneige and this is their water sleeping mask. And you guys, I am so obsessed with this. This gives me so much hydration, and I know this tiny size won't last me very long, but I don't even care. I'm just so excited that I have it in my life again. I definitely know after having this in my life again right now, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and just pay the full size because I've tried other like overnight sleeping masks and nothing compares to this. So I'm really excited. This box is just killing it. Like I told you guys, there's a reason that they sell out in like 2 seconds. So really excited for that. The next thing, this is the Olay Makeup Remover Towelettes, and this comes with 7. Again, I haven't tried these before, which is really awesome. I love being able to try a bunch of different varieties of makeup removers and to find the ones that are good for me. I have very sensitive skin, so we will see. And also, I love having travel size ones too because I travel a lot. And like I said, it's always nice to have a trial size before you get the real ones. The second to last thing that's in the box, this is the Crest 3D White Glamour White Luxe White Strips. And I am really excited. I love whitening my teeth, especially before like big events and stuff. They're already pretty nice, but I like to give them a little bit of more of an oomph. Yeah, really excited to have that, even though it's only one use. The last thing in the box is another full-size item, and these are the Up and Up 5-blade Compared to Venus Embrace 2-pack razors. And I'm really excited because I would have had to buy more razors because mine is getting really bad and I needed to replace it. But now I have these, and I'm really excited to try these too because it says compared to Venus Embrace, and those are the ones that I use now, and they're pretty expensive. So if I can get them from the Up and Up brand, which is a lot cheaper, I definitely will. So really excited to try these out, and yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was the last thing in the box, but this was an amazing box. Like I said, they're really hard to get your hands on, but when you do, they are amazing. So in a little recap, we got the razors, the shampoo and conditioner, the sleeping mask, the lipstick, the deodorant, the white strips, the makeup remover, and the mascara. So a little bit of everything. It's just really hard to beat it, you guys. I love it. They do have the Walmart beauty box, but it doesn't come anywhere close to this one. It's amazing. I love it so much. Let me know down below if you guys got this box, or I know they had a couple more options, so let me know if you got any of those. And they do have a email list to get notified when they come out with new boxes, so if you guys want to do that, definitely can. As always, I'll leave a link to all that good stuff down below for you. And I hope that you're having an amazing day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys!